Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to stop those birthday reminder emails in Hotmail or Outlook. If those pop-ups and notifications are kind of cluttering your inbox, don't worry, we'll turn them off in just a few steps. First, open your browser and head over to outlook.com. On the top right corner, you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click that. Enter your email and password, and if you've got two-factor authentication turned on, just verify your identity to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook home screen. Now, look at the left-hand navigation bar. You'll see icons for mail, people, tasks, and right there, the calendar. Click on calendar to open it. In the calendar view, find the option called Add Calendar. This is where you can manage different calendar types and settings. Click on it and you'll see choices like holidays, sports schedules, and yep, birthdays. Now click on birthdays. You'll see a toggle or checkbox that controls whether the birthday calendar is active. Just turn that off or uncheck it and you're done. This immediately stops Outlook from sending you those automatic birthday reminder emails. And that's all it takes. With just a couple clicks, you've turned off birthday reminders so your inbox stays clutter-free. Feel free to explore the other calendar settings too. You might find even more ways to customize Outlook to fit your style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.